I'm Jack Allen, the mayor of Bethel Park.
Hi, I'm Meg Young, Executive Director and founder of Beverly's Birthdays.
I'm Samantha Brinkman. I'm an instructional aide at Steel Center, Career and Technical Center.
I'm Maria Inks, also an instructional aide at Steel Center CTE.
I'm Rachel Brett. I'm a principal and director of organizational development for Tier 1 Performance.
I'm Marianne Schaefer. I am a manager of data analytics.
I'm Luke Spira. I'm a student at Steel Center, and I'm in the Culinary Arts program.
I'm Geneva Bradley. I'm a student at Steel Center as well, and I'm in the Sports Medicine program.
I'm Annabelle Franzman. I'm a student at Steel Center, and I am in the Advertising and Design program.
I'm Karen Banks. I'm a student at Steel Center, and I'm in the Veterinary Assisting program.
Marianne, what brings us here today?
Well, we have a assembly today for kindergarten through fourth graders, and this was an assembly to bring careers together. So careers that are trades with our Steel Center program, as well as a nonprofit, as well as our mayor of Bethel Park. It's important that we represent all of these careers to show students that wherever you want to do in life, you have the opportunity to do so. And we wanted to bring every one of these individuals here to show these kids, after a two-year wait, how important it is that to start young, think about your career, and go forward from there.
Yeah, Marianne, this event has been 2 years in the making. Marianne worked tirelessly to organize and bring all these great presenters so that we could help every student in William Penn explore what might be possible for their career when they find something that they love to do and that they're good at and that the world needs them to do. So we were grateful for the opportunity to do this for you all today.